What's going on, people? Dirty Bird Productions here, another one. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart the Glock 9. Glock 9. First thing you want to do, pop the clip out. But to let you know it's real, cut that bitch. No fakery. Clip. Sit it to the side. You want to pull back. You got a release button right here. Pull it down. Let it slide back forward. Text message. Let it slide back forward. You got one on the other side. Pull it down. When you pull it down, pull the trigger, pull forward. It's going to slide right off like butter, baby. It's the inside of a Glock. Sometimes when I'm cleaning, I like to put the clip in just because it look cool. Futuristic gun. Ping, 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 ping. I come and get you. Anyway, you got your spring. Make sure you pull your spring out. Nice and easy. You got your barrel. Put your barrel on, nice and easy. There you go, right there. You got all pieces of your Glock. I thought about these extra for something else another day. Putting it back together, one of the easiest things ever. It's like candy. Or taking candy from a baby or something like that. I don't know if that's easy, because if I was a baby and you tried to take my candy, I'm coming to get you. You see me, Stewie. You know what I'm saying? But alright, here we go. Let's put it back together. You want to grab your barrel. Mine all shiny. I keep it clean, nice and old, you know, in case you ever got to use it. Slide that barrel back in there. Grab your spring. It's two sides. Always keep the chrome on the inside of the gun. Put the black point out. Make sure you get it all the way down flush to where it can't go no more. You don't set it right and you don't shoot right. You got rails going down the side of the Glock, both sides. This ain't nothing but plastic, light, it's easy. Just like a puzzle. Slide that bad boy right off. Pop your clip. Cock your shit. Pop the clip. Let them know it's real. Show them that bullet. Tell them next time it's going in their ass. That's the Glock. Next show, I'm going to show you the Smith & Wesson. Smith & Wesson 9mm. You got the baby clip, short clip. You know what I'm saying? And you got the 2 more bullet extended clip with the pinky grip. You know what I'm saying? Next show. Dirty Birds. Fuck with me, not without me.